Your life, you will celebrate the goodness God honored by your presence. And it is also honored to be your part to be recognized as person worthy of trust. I charge you to give them advice and guidance as Patrick and Elby, all of us who are here. I now ask any reason why they are lawfully married. None? If there, if you cannot speak it now, forever hold. Let us continue. Before God and this congregation, I will now ask you to affirm your willingness to enter this covenant of marriage and to share all the joys and sorrows to this new relationship, whatever the future may hold.
Darat pa nga yan dini niya.
Patrick, will you take OLLB to be your wife? And will you love her faithfully as long as she both shall live?
I will with the help of God.
LB, will you take Patrick to be your husband? And will you love him faithfully as long as you both shall live? By these answers which you have given, your purpose and willingness to take one another for better or for worse from this day forward is affirmed. Patrick and LB, Christ called you into union with Him and with one another. Union in marriage requires generosity and selflessness, flexibility, patience, and love from both husband and wife. Under it lies responsibility of family and community. But when supported by commitment and faithfulness and love, these responsibilities are a joy to fulfill. Please join now your hands as you prepare to exchange your vows.